Good morning, sir.
Good morning, sir.
Sir.
Good morning, everyone.
Good morning, sir.
Good
Good morning,
morning, everyone. Now, after wishing your teacher good morning, please mute your mic. Kumod, I think there is some technical issue regarding your camera, beta. I cannot see you properly. कुमोद,
sir.
आपकी इमेज जो है, फोटो जो है वो ब्लर दिखाई दे रही है बेटा, है ना? चेक करना एक बार आप।
सर थोड़ा ये ना कैमरा लगा है तो थोड़ा कैमरे में कुछ प्रॉब्लम आ रही है।
ओके ओके ओके, कोई बात नहीं, ठीक है। फिर आपको तो पूरा बोर्ड दिखाई दे रहा होगा, क्लियर?
सर दिख रहा है।
ओके ओके, so nothing to worry. Yes, so students, be ready with your books and copies. Today in this class we are going to revise all the chapters, all the poems from unit number 1 and unit number 2, lesson number 1 and lesson number 2. Okay, so nobody will disturb in between. Nobody will disturb in between. कोई भी बीच में डिस्टर्ब नहीं करेगा. ओके, टिल कब तक? जब तक मैं आपसे कुछ ना पूछूं तब तक आपको सुनते रहना है. ठीक है? ठीक है. Put your mobile phones in front of you. Put your mobile phones in front of you. Sit properly, everybody. Sit properly, everybody. और अब क्या करेंगे आप? Put your hands on ears like this. Put your hands on ears like this. Okay? ये किस लिए? जो क्वेश्चंस हम रिवाइज करने वाले हैं सारे के सारे ध्यान से सुनने के लिए. बड़े बड़े कान करो, ऐसे बड़े बड़े. यस, ठीक है. और अच्छे से सुनना है. Here, okay, here in this class we are going to revise all the question and answers from unit number 1 and unit number 2. If
Good
it is
morning, sir.
possible, we will do all the revision here from unit number 2 also. Okay, so be ready. Our first poem is Good Morning. Good morning, sky. Good morning, sun. Good morning, little winds that run. Good morning, birds. Good morning, trees and creeping grass and brownie bees. How did you find out it was day? Who told you night had gone away? I am wide awake. I am up now too. I will be right out to play with you. This is the poem, and the poet name is Fanny R. Bechanan. Okay, so some new words were there. I am going to tell you the meaning of each word. Listen it carefully. Yes, Shreyanshi, good morning. Attend your classes regularly. From tomorrow, your exam will be started. कल से आपकी एग्जाम शुरू होने वाली है, श्रेयांशी. Okay?
Okay, sir.
Yes. So first word is there, creeping. Creeping means to move slowly. Creeping means to move slowly and carefully. धीरे धीरे चलना, बस सुनना है आपको. Yes. Creeping, to move slowly and carefully. Another word, awake. Awake means not asleep. Not asleep. Awake, not asleep, यानी जागा हुआ. ठीक है? Gone away. Gone away, no longer present. No longer present. Okay? Yes. We can say in another word, disappeared. Gone away, disappeared. Dur jana. Yes. So some question answers from this poem we are going to discuss here. First question is there. Why is the child in the poem happy? Why is the child in the poem happy? I am telling you the answer. Please check it out from your copy. Okay? बस आपको चेक करना है. कोई भी बीच में नहीं बोलेगा. Nobody will say anything. Nobody will disturb. Advik, what I am telling here? Yes. Why is the child in the poem happy? The child in the poem is happy because it is morning. It is morning. Yes. Hope you understand. Why is the child in the poem happy? The child in the poem happy because it is morning. Answer is so simple, because it is morning. Second question is there. To whom does the child say good morning? The child says good morning to sun, to sky, to little winds, to birds, to grass, and the brownie bees. Okay? The child says good morning to sky, to sun, to little winds, birds, grass, and brownie bees. Child किस किस पे गुड मॉर्निंग बोल रहा है? गुड मॉर्निंग सन, गुड मॉर्निंग स्काई, गुड मॉर्निंग लिटिल विंड्स. Okay? Good morning grass, good morning bees, and good morning birds also. So there are 6 animals, 6 things which child wishes good morning. Third question is there. What does the child want to do? The child wants to go out and play. The
Sir,
child
public पाओगे?
wants to go out and play. आती है ना? वो खराब है. ले लीजिए, मैंने ली ना वहीं पे. थोड़ा पास से बोलिए. Okay, students. After this, there is another word which is another question, which is rhyming words. We discussed about rhyming words. Rhyming words means what? Some sound of the words are common, similar. Those words are called rhyming words. Okay, some sounds are common. So what are the words? Just check it out from the poem. Sun, run. Sun, run. Yes, from the poem we discussed it. After this, trees, bees. Trees, bees. Stay away. Stay away. After this, to you.
I go to washroom.
To you. To you. And all the extra words, rhyming words, we discussed earlier, just like this. Sky, bye. Sky, bye, my. Yes, like this way. Okay, students? After this, some opposite words are there in the poem. What are the words?
Washroom.
Listen, nobody will disturb.
Sir, I go to washroom.
Yes, Kumud. Yes,
Sir,
you can
I
go.
drink water.
Yes, you can. Okay, let's discuss some opposite words from the poem. Opposite word first is little. Little यानी छोटा. Little, huge. बड़ा. Little, huge. Little, huge. H-U-G-E. Huge. H-U-G-E. Huge. Little, huge. Okay. Awake, asleep. Awake, asleep. Awake, asleep. Day, night. Day, night. These are the opposite words. Students, please understand this, the difference between rhyming words and opposite words. Rhyming words अलग होते हैं, opposite words अलग होते हैं. ठीक है? Don't, yes, confusion नहीं. So another word is here wide, narrow. Wide means बड़ा, चौड़ा. Narrow, छोटा. Wide, चौड़ा, narrow, छोटा. Okay? Yes. So let's discuss another opposite words from this poem. We can say good, bad. Good, bad. All these opposite words and rhyming words will be asked in your exam. So be prepared. Okay? Yes, learn all the rhyming words, opposite words, singular, plural, past form, first form and second form of the verbs or action words. Please revise all the questions. Good, bad, little, huge, out, in, away, near, day, night, right, wrong, right, wrong, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. Yes, very good. Wide, narrow, find, lost, yes, very good. Now after that question and answers, we have another lesson, another story of the magic garden. The magic garden, okay? And in that story, we discussed, we learned the names of some flowers, okay? The emotions of the birds, flowers towards the students, towards the children of the school, okay? So here, some new words are there in the story. First word is there, magic. Listen it carefully. Magic. Tricks that seem to be impossible. Tricks that seems to be impossible. यानी ऐसी एक्टिविटी जो हमें इम्पॉसिबल लगे. अभी मैंने ऐसे हाथ घुमाया और मेरे हाथ में सबको देने के लिए कैडबरी आई. मैंने ऐसे हाथ घुमाया और छू कर दिया तो आप सभी के हाथों में कैडबरी आ जाए. यस, इट इज मैजिक. ये होती है मैजिकल ट्रिक, है ना. इट सीम्स टू इम्पॉसिबल. अगर ऐसा हो जाए तो सानवी कितना खुश हो जाएगी. अगर मैं ऐसे जादू से ऐसे करके सबके हाथ में ऐसे कैडबरी आ जाए घर पे बैठे बैठे, वाओ, इट सीम्स लाइक अ मैजिक. यस, ये मैजिक हो जाएगा. ओके, सो मैजिक मीन्स ट्रिक्स दैट सीम्स टू बी impossible. Tricks that seems to be impossible. After this, garden. Garden means a piece of a ground for growing flowers, fruits and vegetables. Garden किसे कहा जाता है? A piece of a land, जमीन का एक टुकड़ा जहां पे फ्लावर्स ग्रो किए जाते हैं, ग्रास होती है, फ्रूट्स होते हैं. ओके, a piece of a land for growing flowers. The third word is there, playground.
Sir.
Oh, sorry, third word is gardeners. Yes, who is asking me?
Sir.
Yes, Shreyasi.
Am I drinking water?
Yes, you can. Gardeners, someone who takes care of a garden. कोई बात नहीं, वहां से ले सकते हैं. यहाँ से एंड ऑप्शन कर दिया ना आपने. ओके, gardeners means someone who takes care of a garden. Someone who takes care of a garden. Fourth one is there, playground. Playground means an outdoor area for children to play. an outdoor area for children to play. बच्चों के लिए खेलने के लिए जो जगह होती है उसे प्लेग्राउंड बोलते हैं. After this, sunshine. Sunshine means sunshine. सूरज की रोशनी. Okay, direct sunlight. Yes. After this, golden. Golden means सुनहरा. सुनहरा कलर, है ना. आप जैसे गोल्डन गोल्डन चेहरे वाले बच्चे यहाँ सामने होते हुए मुझे कोई परेशानी नहीं होती. Your face is a golden. Okay. Yes, golden means shining like a gold. Shining like a gold. सुनहरा. After this, dreaming. Dreaming, सपना देखना. जैसे कि आप देखते होंगे, कब मेरा स्कूल खुलेगा? When the school will open and I will meet my friends. I want to play with my friends. I want to eat lunch. I want to have a lunch. Okay? जैसे आप सोचते होंगे कि मुझे उनके साथ खाना खाना है. आपके सपने में भी आता होगा. आपको कभी कभी ऐसा लगता होगा कि मुझे भी उनके साथ खेलना है, स्कूल जाना है. बहुत 2 साल हो गए, मैंने मेरे दोस्तों को भी नहीं देखा. वो कितने बड़े हुए हैं, है ना. उनकी नाक कैसे बड़ी हुई है वो मुझे देखनी है. इस तरह से आप सपने देखते होंगे. यस, ड्रीमिंग. ड्रीमिंग मीन्स व्हाट? थॉट्स और इमेजेस दैट come in our mind when you are in sleep. Thoughts or images that come in our mind while sleeping. जब हम सोते हैं तब हमारे दिमाग में जो ख्याली पुलाव बनते हैं, ख्याल आते हैं, उसे हम सपना कहते हैं. So what is the actual meaning of dreaming? Dreaming means thoughts or images that come in our mind while sleeping. सोते हुए हमारे दिमाग में जो थॉट्स और इमेजेस आते हैं उन्हें क्या कहते हैं? ड्रीमिंग या ड्रीम्स. Now the question and answer session will begin. First question is there, why did the flowers love the little children? Why did the flowers love the little children? फूल जो है वो बच्चों से प्यार क्यों करते थे? Why did the flowers love the little children? Why? The answer is so simple. The flowers love the little children as they bring water and watering cans and water their thirsty roots. क्योंकि बच्चे क्या करते थे? They bring watering cans and water their thirsty roots. बच्चे क्या करते थे? वाटरिंग कैंस लेके आते थे और थर्स्टी रूट्स को पानी देते थे. So that the flowers loved the little children. Second question is there, why did the birds love the children? Why did the birds love the children? The birds loved the little children because they used to bring breads. क्या लाते थे? बच्चे बर्ड्स के लिए ब्रेड लाते थे. BREAD, bread. Okay. Third question is there, name 5 flowers growing in the magic garden. 5 flowers के name. It is already mentioned in our story. First one, pansy, sunflower, marigold, poppy, and rose. Repeat again. Pansy, marigold, sunflower, poppy, and rose. Okay. Pansy, sunflower, marigold, poppy, and rose. There are 5 flowers in that magic garden. Fourth question is there. What sounds could the children hear in the garden? What sounds could the children hear in the garden? बच्चों को कौन सी और किसकी आवाज सुनाई दी? The children could hear the sound of sweet songs of the fairies in the garden. बच्चों को उस गार्डन में फेरीज की आवाज सुनाई दी जो गाना गा रही थी. The children could hear the sound of sweet songs of the fairies in the garden. I am repeating this. The children could hear the sound of sweet songs of the fairies in the garden. Okay? Hope you all understand. After this, we have written the question, name two words in each petal which you see in the garden. Insects, ant and cockroach. Trees, we wrote there mango trees and banana trees. Birds, you can write two names, parrot and sparrow. Tools, axe and trowel. Flowers, sunflower and rose. You can write any two names of the given words. Okay, given related words. After this, our unit number 1 is over. Now I am going to ask you some questions to you. Okay, now be ready. Now be ready.
सर इस क्वेश्चन में क्या पॉपीज एंड पेंसिल्स एंड रोज लिख सकते हैं क्या?
What Pratik? I cannot hear you properly.
सर क्वेश्चन नंबर 3 में क्या रोज और पॉपीज एंड पेंसिल्स लिख सकते हैं क्या?
पॉपी लिखेंगे या पॉपीज लिखेंगे?
Yes. फ्लावर्स में लिख सकते हैं आप.
या पॉपीज लिखेंगे कि पेंसिल्स लिखेंगे सर?
नहीं, वो है पॉपी या पॉपीज, पेंसिल्स या रोजेस या रोज.
सर पॉपीज या पॉपी या पेंसिल्स या पेंसिल्स?
Pratik, it is already mentioned in our book. Please check it out. You can find the answer. Okay, show me thumbs up.
ओके सर, थैंक यू सर.
Very good, very good. Now the question goes to first Drishya, which is in top of the screen. Question number 1 from unit number 1. What is the meaning of gone away? Only Drishya will tell me. Only Drishya will tell what is the meaning of gone away. Gone away means what?
बाहर जाओ.
Huh?
इसका मतलब है बाहर जाओ.
No. According to the poem, gone away, the meaning is different, as we discussed earlier at the beginning of the class. I think you did not listen carefully. Next is Akshit. Akshit, please tell me what is the meaning of gone away?
Not longer present.
Very good. Drisha, listen carefully, beta. No longer present. Okay. We can say disappeared. हम ये भी कह सकते हैं disappeared यानी चली गई. No longer present. Now let's next question to Advik Singh, which is in third, top of the screen.
Yes, sir.
Another word is creeping. What is the meaning of creeping?
To move slowly and carefully.
Very good, Advik. All the students, I request you, all the students, please listen. Okay. Now next question goes to Pratik Kumar Upadhyay. Why is the child in the poem happy?
The child in the poem happy because it is morning.
Very good, Pratik. Very good. Next question goes to Prachi Meena. Be ready, Prachi. To whom does the child say good morning? Prachi, unmute yourself.
The child say
Yes.
good morning
Huh?
to the sky.
Sky.
Sir, window, birds,
Yes.
tree,
Yes.
grass.
Yes. Very good. The child says good morning to sky, to sun, to little winds, to birds, to grass, and the brownie bees. Okay. The third question goes to Shreyashi Oja. Next question goes to Shreyashi Oja. Please unmute yourself. Yes. What does the child want to do?
The child say want to go play outside.
Okay, very good, very good, Shreyashi. Now the next question goes to Unjala. Unjala, please unmute your device. Tell me the rhyming word of trees. Rhyming word of trees. Rhyming word of trees.
सर कौन सा वाला पूछ रहे हैं?
Rhyming word of trees. Trees का rhyming word बताओ poem से. What is the rhyming word of trees? Yes, मैं सभी को क्वेश्चंस पूछने वाला हूँ शाश्वत. तो trees, bees. Yes. Next is Sanvi Mehra. Tell me the rhyming word of day.
Away.
Very good, Sanvi. Next question goes to Kumud. Tell me the rhyming word of two. T-O-O-2.
You, sir, you.
Yes, very good, very good. Now, some opposite words I will ask here. And the next question goes to Kusum. Be ready, Kusum. Tell me the opposite of good. Tell me the opposite word of good. Don't see, don't look anywhere. It is so simple, Kusum. Good. Opposite word क्या होता है good का? Very good.
मैं बताऊं इसका आंसर?
No. Nobody will say. Rohini, please wait for your turn. कुसुम, आपने सही बोला लेकिन आपका माइक म्यूट है बेटा, है ना? Good, bad. Next turn goes to Kota Rushik. Tell me the opposite word of little.
Big.
Rushik? Yes,
Big.
very good, very good. Next is Divyanshi Parihar. Tell me the opposite of away.
सर मेरा नाम नहीं आया.
सबका नंबर आएगा. Just wait for your turn. Divyanshi, tell me the opposite of away.
Far.
Away. Away यानी दूर. Near यानी पास.
Near.
Okay. Now next is Shashwat. Tell me the opposite of right. R-I-G-H-T, right.
Wrong.
Wrong. Very good. Very good. Next is Tanvi. Tell me the opposite of up. Tanvi. Tell me the opposite of
Down.
very good, beta. Very good. Next is Rohini. Tell me the opposite of find. Find. Rohini.
Find.
Yes, opposite of find. Opposite of find, रोहिणी. आप क्या चेक कर रहे हो? अभी आपका टर्न आए तो आप बोल नहीं रहे हो बेटा. फाइंड यानी ढूंढना, मिलना. Okay, the question is passed to Abhaya Singh. Yes, Abhaya. Abhaya, tell me the opposite word of find.
Find यानी ढूंढना.
अपोजिट बताओ, उसका अपोजिट वर्ड क्या होता है फाइंड का? As we return in our copy, as we discussed earlier at the beginning of our class.
Yes, sir.
Tell me, what is the opposite word of find?
Find, sir. Find.
No, 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 no. आप बच्चे ध्यान से सुन नहीं रहे हैं। अभया,
Yes,
speak properly. Don't go anywhere. आप अभी घर में कहीं घूम रहे थे। एक जगह पे बैठना है और क्लास पूरी अटेंड करनी है। Yes. The question passed to, I think next is, let me check. Azan Ahmad. Azan, please tell me the answer. What is the opposite word of find? Azan is also not available right now. Akshat, tell me the opposite of find. सारे बच्चे अपनी कॉपीज ऐसे चेक कर रहे हैं जैसे मैंने कहीं दूसरी जगह का वर्ड पूछा है, दूसरे प्लेनेट का।
Find का found.
अपोजिट वर्ड अक्षर, अपोजिट। ओके, यस ऋषिक बताओ ऋषिक, what is the opposite word of find? ऋषिक,
Found की rhyming word అడుగుతున్నా. Sound కదా? Sound की rhyming. To lose.
very good, LOSE, loss. Okay, we can say जैसे मिलना, खोना, खो देना। Okay, so keep this in your mind. After this, we discussed some question answers from the story, The Magic Garden. Some students are still remaining, which I will ask some questions. Shreyansi, what is the meaning of magic? Only Shreyansi will unmute her mic. Shreyansi, what is the meaning of magic?
Magic.
मैजिक का मीनिंग क्या है?
MAGICE.
मीनिंग वर्ड मीनिंग हमने जैसे डिस्कस किए थे। ओके, अद्विक,
Trick that seems to be impossible.
very good Advik, very good. Next word is garden. Let me announce the name. There are so many students who are attending this class. Mohini Chaudhary. After this, Mitali will ready. Mitali, be ready. The next question will. Yes, Mohini, tell me the meaning of garden. Mohini, are you there? You are taking too much time, beta. Garden. Mitali, please tell me the meaning of garden. Mitali, are you there? After this, we will end our session, today's session. Okay, students. Yes. Yes, Shashwat. Shashwat, please tell us the meaning of garden.
Park. A piece of a ground growing flowers.
We cannot hear you,
Ground
Shashwat.
park. A piece of ground growing with flowers.
Very good, very good. Next question goes to Arshi. Arshi Ghosh. Okay. Tell me the meaning of gardeners. Please unmute yourself first. Arshi, please unmute yourself. अपना माइक ऑन करो पहले. Yes, now speak.
जो गार्डन का टेक केयर करता है.
हिंदी में लिखोगे अगर ऐसे क्वेश्चन आता है तो. You should tell me in English. आपने मुझे इंग्लिश में बताना चाहिए मीनिंग. Okay, as we discussed, gardener means someone who takes care of a garden. जो गार्डन की रखवाली करता है उसे गार्डनर कहते हैं. Okay, so hope you all have enjoyed this class. So right now I am going to end this session. Okay.
सर मेरा नंबर नहीं
Please.
आया.
Asim, okay, last question. I am going to ask you, Asim, what is the meaning of playground? Asim, tell me the meaning of playground. Asim Khan.
सर मेरा नंबर भी नहीं आया.
Asim Khan, अब कहाँ गए आप बेटा?
मैम सर मैं बोलूं?
No, 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 no. Okay, Icha. Tell me the meaning of.
Where we go to play?
Very good, very good. We can say like this. जहाँ पे हम खेलने जाते हैं उसे प्लेग्राउंड बोलते हैं. Okay. An outdoor area for children to play. Yes, very good. So now students, it is not possible to give chance to everybody who are attending this class because there are 57 students are watching and attending this class. So it is impossible. Only 35 minutes class we take here. So right now I am going to end this session. Bye bye.
Bye, sir.
Bye, sir.
Bye, sir.
Bye, sir.